we have our natural Gatorade, and we're ready for the gym, ready for whatever activities that you have planned for the day. Nice and refreshing. Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome, and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef Adrian Morris, and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
I'm going to be working on an energy drink. Alright. I'm going to show you how to make a natural Gatorade. So we have here watermelon. This is about 5 pounds. Just going to remove the skin, like so. We're going to go in with half of that watermelon. So about a 2.5 pound, or if you have a small watermelon, that will do. So we're going to remove the middle, score it, lift, and cut. Get it close as possible. So just chop that up. I'm going to go in with 3 ripe oranges. So we have 2 pounds of melon, 3 oranges, and I'm going to go in with a lemon. I don't have a key lime, but if you have key lime, use that one. As I said before, we're going to be making that natural Gatorade, so you can stay away from the one in the store. Let's have some energy ram-packed, so that you can take on the gym. So let's go. I'm going to put these in our juicer and get them juiced out. Because our recipe calls for key lime and I only have a lemon, I'm going to go in with half of a lemon and our oranges. We're going to go in with our watermelon. And there you go, my friends. Just gonna add some coconut water, and then we'll have our natural Gatorade, and we're ready for the gym, ready for whatever activities that you have planned for the day. Nice and refreshing. We have 100% coconut water. We're gonna go in it. So get a cup of that coconut water, rinse, and add that. Give that a mix. Pour myself a glass. Natural Gatorade. So cheers to that natural Gatorade. You know it's very high in vitamin C from the orange. That's good. You have the electrolytes in the watermelon, which helps with hydration as well as muscle function. See, the great part about this, it's low in calorie because again, watermelon is over 90% of water. You see me? Other recipes have a little bit of sugar here and there, but again, natural sugars. The lime would help you to aid in digestion, but we don't have the lime, so we use the lemon. Similar benefits we're going to get from that. And of course, the coconut water is very high in electrolytes again. So similar things that you get in a Gatorade, you have that in this natural melon drink. You know what I mean? So drink this during your workout, before your workout. But best during your workout because again, it's like bringing your own Gatorade to the gym.
Your physique is a physical manifestation of your mind. You can't buy a physique. You can't make anyone do the work for you. You can't shortcut the process. The effort you put in, the sacrifices you make, they're all there, sculpted in muscle.
Leave a thumbs up on the video, leave a comment below. And say if you love my vibe, Don't forget to hit subscribe. Jano, try it out at home. You won't be disappointed. Once again, thank you very much for watching. You see, until next time, safe travel upon the gravel. And go and big up on yourself.